This one guys is from POA Floral Design School World Flower Council of Macau. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel again, and for today's video, I'm here in the Flower Festival 2024 here in Causeway Bay, and ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga boat or yung mga iba't ibang decoration ng mga boat dito sa Hong Kong or dito sa flower guys ng iba't ibang lugar. So let's go. This boat guys is from the North District Arts Advancement Association. They display different type of plants and bonsai and flowers also guys. Ayan, ito yung boat nila, boat dito yan. This one guys is from Hong Kong Oriental Orchids Association Ltd. Ayan, different color of orchids. Ayan, they have the violet, pink, white, yellow, and ayun yung wild na orchids. Yan, yung tumutubo sa mga puno sa forest. And then yun, orchids din siya. Yan. Ito guys, yung boat dito from Hong Kong Orchid Oriental. And this one naman guys, this boat na to is from Technological and Higher Education Institute of Hong Kong. This is the entry. Ayun. Diba? Guys, is herbs for dietetic therapy. Ayan. Mga plants. Iba't ibang klaseng plants and herbs. Nandito pa yung mga iba. Chulan tree. Chulan tree pala ito yung plants na ito. Madami kang matutunan yung pangalan ng mga plants guys. Yun guys is Aztec marigold. Marigold pala yan. Yeah. This one guys is Art Floor Creative Club. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Ang mga boat. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng mga decoration nila. So, ayan guys. Nandito pa rin ako and ibibidyo ko yung mga iba't ibang boat dito sa Hong Kong. Yung, yan. Na-entry nila. So, ito yung maganda guys. Oh. Shuka. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagka-decoration niya. This one guys is the 782 Florestry. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng decoration. Yung pagkagawa nila guys. Oh. Ayan. Ang ganda diba? One guys is Trophy Fame Floral Design School Singapore. Ayan. Ito yung ano ng Singapore guys. Entry nila. Yung boat ng Singapore. This one guys is from POA Floral Design School World Flower Council of Macau. Ang ganda. Ang galing nila. Ang ganda guys. Yung ginawa nila. Parang kampuso. Ayan. And ito, Macau din ito guys. Association of Macau Floral Culture. Nice. Diba? This one is Alexandra Flores. Ayan. Ganda, bilao siya na binutasan sa gitna. And ito is leaf-in. Ayan. Ang ganda guys. Oh, leaf-in. No. White flowers. Ayan. Nagbiblink yung lights. This one guys is Mi Flores. Floral and design. It's so pretty. This boat guys, entry from Malaysia, World Orchid Association Malaysia chapter. O, diba ang ganda? Oh, ang ganda ng ginawa nila. And dito sa kabila is Nobleman School of Floral Design. Oh, ala, ang ganda guys. Tali siya yung ano, blue bead. Yan. This one guys is HB Flores Queen's Flowers. Ano siya? Dragon. White dragon. Ayun. White dragon when they have some decoration like that. Yan, this one guys is from Chrissy Chong Tural Design Academy. Ayan. Ganyan yung malapitan na look niya. This one guys is Isabella Classic Floral Design. Nakahang siya guys. Hanging. This boat guys is from Hong Kong branch of the Sojitsu Teachers Association. Ayan. Ito yung entry nila. Ayan, diba? So yan, ang ganda nung decoration nila doon guys. Oh, yan. I proceed to this other area which is we can see the boat of the Philippines guys. So yun. Ipakutak ko sa inyo. Yan. Dito sa area na to matatagpuan yung boat ng Philippines. This boat guys is from the Indonesia, Consulate of Indonesia. Consulate General of Republic of Indonesia in Hong Kong. Ang ganda ng entry nila guys, oh. Yan. Yan. This one guys is from Pakistan. Consulate General of Pakistan in Hong Kong. And of course, our dear country, Philippines. This one is Bluegrass Project. And this one is a promise of spring after a bleak winter. The dullness of dissolution now give you a verb of colors just before of the spring. Ayan. This display captures the happiness of moment with use of tropical greens, earthly blooms, and natural plants of symbolizes hope and new beginnings. This is from Philippines guys, Bluegrass Project. Ayan. This one guys is World Flower Council Philippines chapter. They featured the dancing lady and then they have these ribbons. And ayan, colorful ribbons and they have like that decoration. Ayan. Diba? Maganda din siya. Pero I prepared last year. Mas maganda last year yung entry nila. This one naman guys is from Thailand. Ayan. Thailand ga Oman. Ito yung Oman guys. Stony UN Professional Floristry program. Yan. Tinifix nila. Ano siya? Naka-plastic. Yung may water yung plastic guys. I show you in the other side. So ito yung other side niya guys. Nilalagyan nila ng plastic na may tubig para hindi malanta yung mga bulaklak kasi mainit. Yan. Naglalagay sila. Yan. Oh, this one guys is from the World Flower Council Hong Kong chapter. Ayan. Ang ganda ng decoration nila. Oh. This one guys is from the Hong Kong Cayuse Study Group of O'Hara. Ayan. Ang ganda ano siya, cherry blossom tree. Different color of cherry blossom from O'Hara. Ayan. Shuang Yu Leng Sojitsu. Yan, si Sojitsu lahat ito nag-decoration o nag-design guys. Ayan. Ikebana International Hong Kong chapter. Ito guys. Ito is Poi Kan Choi Sojitsu. Mga Sojitsu family yung nag-design dito guys. O Margaret M.M. Chan Sojitsu. Ayan. This is from Song Ki Yuen. Ayan, mga plants. Ayan. Kompleto. May fertilizer, may soil, may oregano din. Ayan, ang ganda guys. And dito sa other side niya is from Carwo LTD. Ayan, mga gamit ng gardener. Ayan. Gardener, and then may mga nakasabit na mga plastic na bulaklak. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa garden na tools. Ito naman guys is African Violet Society of Hong Kong. Yung naka-incubator ito sa Hong Kong Park guys. Ito yun. Ang ganda oh. Ayan. Ang dami. And guys is Hong Kong Taipo Association of Young Merchants and Professional Limited. Yan, iba't ibang klase ng mga bulaklak. And then yung may nakasabit doon. Ayan, nag-blank yung ilaw. Ito guys is from Tungwa Group of Hospital, Renato Eco Flower Shop. Ayan. Ang ganda. Nice guys. Ito guys is Life Flower School of Consultant. Ang ganda niya guys, ang colorful. Yan, ganyan pag malayo. Ang cute dito guys. Oh, may pausok-usok pa. Oh, yan. They put some around some plants. Tapos, nagwa-water siya. Ang ganda. Parang napaka-relaxing dito sa area na to guys. And malamig siya guys. Kasi tubig yung beside mo. Ayan, may pausok-usok pa. This one guys is a Hong Kong Flower Club. Ayan, decoration. Ang ganda guys. Oh. Professional of the American Floral Art Design School. Oh, ang ganda.
Can you hear, can you hear, can you hear my voice? Coming through, coming through, coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed.
Flower arrangement pa dito guys, or both from Beijing Association. Oh, ang ganda guys, from Beijing. Yan yung capital ng Beijing. Yan, ang ganda. Oh, diba? China flower arrangement. Ayan. China flower arrangement ito guys. And ito naman is Shenzhen China Flower Association. Kaya huli nga. So, ayan, ito yung view niya dito guys pag hapon.